So more or less we have touched the contribution of Indian scientists as well as the Western scientists. If we'll go back in our history, India have also great achievement in that field of science and mathematics. In our ancient age also there is a Rig Veda. They have the knowledge of scientists. If we'll move, that means that during that also that we have that some little bit knowledge of scientists, medicine also. We'll see that in present how we have developed the sciences. So from civilization, so that Harappa civilization and Mohenjo-daro civilization onwards, we have found so what is the great development in the field of the different field like mathematics and astronomy and linguistic as well as the medicine. What our Indian scientists contribution have. That means we will see the historical development of science. What we have. If we'll see that in the field of mathematics and astronomy, linguistic, medicine, as well as the metallurgical part, from beginning itself, our science, the Indian scientists, they are doing the struggles and they have developed and their great contribution have. Like in the field of mathematics, if you will found, so that earlier in the 4th million BC or 3rd million BC, it is appear that Indus Valley civilizations also having that knowledge of science. They have done well because some whatever they are using that bricks making their shelter home, so that has found that some ratio 4:2:1. That means they having the knowledge of mathematics. That is the reasons they are giving the particular dimension of everything. So that means Hindus civilization, Hindus village civilizations also they having that knowledge of mathematics. And later on, it is found that Mohenjo-daro also there is sometimes of different constructions are there, and so they have used the dimension and the unit of length also they have find it that 1 inches or centimeters they have already developed into because it is found that so that how they are doing the work. And, I mean that means they have the knowledge of the mathematics and like how they have divided that 10 equal parts is equal to centimeter into inch. That means they have related this part also. Basically, Mohenjo-daro also they have found that we have found in their whatever monuments we have found on that one we have found. So they are using the dimensions, and that means they have the knowledge of mathematics. After that, in Indian astronomers and mathematicians, what we can say that great achievement that name we can't forget his name in between that 476 and 550, who has given that nowadays without that one very difficult now whatever we are doing we are interacting to each other. That is the his great achievement only because that scientist name I hope all of you know. That means who have invented the zero. If the digital technology nowadays is moving, that means that is the invented of him only. Without zero we can't imagine that digital technology because the digital technology is between the relationship between 0 and 1. Whole digital technology is moving all around 0 and 1. So that great achievement whatever he has developed during that period, and we are using it all now. Not we, all over the world they are using that one. And so that in the field of mathematics, our Aryabhatta, great scientist and astronomer, he has developed this one in the year of 499. And apart from these, also have given number of trigonometric function like sine, versine, cosine, and he has developed this one also. And apart from the trigonometric tables, he has given some technique of algebra also, so that he has great achievement. After that, what we can say that the Gupta civilization, that Brahmagupta suggested that gravity was a force of attraction. So that later on, that means we have so much example who has done their great job in the field of that one, and still we are benefited whatever they have done in their period. That means in the, whatever struggle they have done, we are benefited now. And, Brahmagupta also have explained the use of zero as both of placeholder and a decimal digit. So that Brahmagupta is Arbita has invented, but Brahmagupta is also that how we can place and how we can use along with that Hindu Arabic numerical system. So that all system they have given the relations. Now people are, that means zero is using that universally throughout the world. But earlier days he has given the relation between Hindu and Arabic. And the Arabic translation of that two astronomer, that is text as were soon available in the Islamic world also, and introducing of what would become Arabic numbers. Because alternate, if you will found the changes, if write one in the Bengali, that will be in the different style. If you will write one in the Hindi, that will be the different style. If you will write one in the English, it is different style. If you will write one in the Urdu, it will be different styles. But zero is zero everywhere, acceptable. That is, there is no different style for zero. Everybody is writing the same position. I hope I am right, because the people, all people, whatever they are using zero, zero means the same shape and same style. There is no different styles. So that they have given the relationship between the all that civilizations. Earlier it is related to the Hindu Arabic, but later on now people are using all over the world zero. And so like that, so many mathematicians has came during, but after that, what we can during that 19th century, that Islamic world, as they have also accepted so many things and they have invented. And during the 14th to 16th century, in Kerala School of Astronomy and Mathematics, they have made a great achievement, the advance in astronomy and especially in mathematics, like including field trigonometry and analysis. How that use the trigonometric analysis. In the particular one person's, the Madhava, and what we can say that his name, and it is found that Madhava of one of the name, I am forgetting that name, and these are the founder of mathematical analysis. So these are the thing about the mathematics, but we are not away from the astronomy. We have done so many things in the astronomy also, because in that it is found that like in the Vedas and religions of literature of India, there is if there is so many related about the astronomy. And according to one writer, Sharma, one find in the Rig Veda intelligent speculations about the genesis of the universe from non-existence. And the configuration of the universe, the spherical self-supporting Earth, and the year of 360 days divided into 12 equal parts of 30 days each, with a self-supporting Earth, and the year of 360 days divided into 12 so equal part. All these things, that whatever the periodical intercalary month is there, the first 12 chapter of that Siddhanta Shiromani is written by Bhaskara in the 12th century. So that how we'll divided this one, the 12 part and equal 360 one. So that we have great achievement in that part also. And in that Bhaskara, whatever he has written, the Siddhanta Shiromani, on that one he has covered means longitude of the planet and latitude. That means already we have the knowledge of longitude and latitude of the planet, and the three problem of diurnal rotations. So that is already an eclipse, solar eclipse, latitude of the planet, rising and sunset, setting, that moon crescent, conjunction of that planet with each other, conjunction of the planet with the fixed stars, and the other part also the sun and moon, the relation between the sun and moon. The 13th chapter of the second part cover the nature of the sphere, how that spherical body should be there. So that he has talked so many things about his books. So that means we have also contributed so many things in the astronomical part. Then apart from that one, will talk about the linguistic part. The third one is the linguistic. Then we'll found basically it is still the people has, and that scientist, the Western scientist, is found that the Sanskrit language is very easy language to develop in the computer and digital part. So and Sanskrit is basically originated by India only, and that is that reason. And maximum word whatever we are speaking in the Hindi, either they are come from they has come from the Sanskrit only. That means Devanagari, whatever we are using the script, that is the came from the Sanskrit only. Can you say anybody that what is the script of Bengali? Hello, hello.
Yes, sir.
Yeah,
Hello,
Raj.
sir.
Yes,
Yeah,
sir.
Roy. Yeah, what is
Yes,
the
sir.
script of Bengali? Can you say script of Bengali?
Script of Bengali.
Hmm. Like English, somebody is writing that is Roman. Hindi it is, and Sanskrit it is Devanagari. What is the script of this one? No idea. Anybody? Anybody who have the idea script of Bengali?
Sir, meaning?
No, no, no. Script. I do. I hope you are feeling a little bit confusion about this one. Do you know that the difference between the Bengali or Bangla, whatever is speaking in the Agartala and whatever is in the Silchar and the Bangla of Kolkata, is there is some differences? No.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Yes,
So
sir.
what is that one? What is that one? What you can define about this one? If we will compare that thing with Dharmanagar and Silchar and Gomarghat, it will be when we will change the places, the speaking of the style will be changed. The Bangla is there, language is same, but the speaking style will be changed. What is that one? Okay, what we can say to this one? In Bangla, what is the difference between Pani and Jal?
Sir, is it Shuddha Bangla
No
or Bhag
difference,
Bangla?
sir.
No difference.
সাধু অঞ্চলিত আছে
Yeah, Prasenjit?
Sir, Pani is
Yes.
Urdu, I
No,
think.
Pani means Bangladeshi Bangla, and I
Oh.
hope Jal means Indian Bangla. No.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, Pani means basically Bangla. Vipasa having the knowledge. Pani means Bangladeshi Bangla, and Jal means Indian Bangla. Indian Bangla people are saying Pani water through Jal, but in the Bangladeshi they are saying the Pani. Is it? I hope. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So this is the differences between. So when we'll change the place, one place to another place,
Sir,
that
sir, sir,
yes, yes,
तो
Vipas.
water को हिंदी में कैसे कहेंगे?
क्या बोले वाटर?
हिंदी में?
हिंदी में तो पानी बोलते हैं ना.
पानी भी बोलते हैं और जल भी बोलते हैं
हाँ, पानी जल भी बोलते हैं. जल हो गया बंगला, that is संस्कृत. Jal has come, that is
तो
basically
सर
this is the word
पानी
of
वर्ड
Sanskrit.
सर
पानी
बेसिकली
का
वो
कैसे होता है?
जल बांग्ला वर्ड ही है लेकिन जल भी बोल सकते हैं
Yeah, but basically that word has come from Sanskrit. It is originated from Sanskrit. Jal.
And पानी?
Pani, that is already I told all the word, basically maximum word has come from the Sanskrit only in the
उर्दू
India.
लैंग्वेज
Otherwise, it has directly changed, or directly we are speaking in the Hindi or little bit change. So that the people has changed in the Bengali to that Sanskrit to in Hindi. Hindi Arabic, that is the Pani. That means Arabic again we will tell that is coming to the Urdu part. So that is little bit Urdu part, that is Arabic, Hindi Arabic. Basically, that it old language of the India is that is the Sanskrit only, and Sanskrit is invented by our peoples only. So that is the great history in that linguistic part. People has developed on that one, and first millennium BC, the analysis of Sanskrit for the purpose of correct recitation and interpretation. Like Vedic text, whatever is there, all the Ved they have written in the Sanskrit. So you can say how old that language. The most notable grammarian of Sanskrit was written by, I hope, in 520 to 460 BC, that is Panini, and whose grammar formula very close to 4,000 rules. He has given that 4,000 rules. Can you imagine how much rule he has invented? And which together from a compact genetic grammar of Sanskrit. And maybe that whatever that 4,000 he has developed, still it is not there. So this is that. Okay, I am just to you 1 minute. 1 minute. Hello. Yeah. So we'll continue. Now, sound is there.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
We'll continue. That what I have told that during that time also Panini has given that in Sanskrit approximately 4,000 rules. So that 520 to 460 BC, and that is the reason that we have developed in the different area also, and that Rig Veda and all of the different Veda also that people has great contribution in the scientist and other sutras also. These are the philosophical part also. So that we have developed in the different area. That means some there is they have talk about the morphology, etymology, and phonology, orthography, all these the parts having that already discussed. And syntax also is the structure and the significance of the context in the different language. And so that so many there apart from that the people's the grammar of Tamil language and the different we will found in the India there is so many languages there. So that is that language is not came in the Sunday the one day. Many language don't have their script. They are using the script. Script that means the writing style. So I have forgot to explain about the script. That means the how we are writing that is known as script. So Devanagari is one of the script. I don't know what is the script of the Bengali, but maybe that you are belong to from that category. And whatever writing styles that is script is Roman script in the English. So that is script. Different people are writing that Tamil having different script here, Odia having the different script style writing. So there is so many language we have developed in the India. Still now earlier days the people had developed. Now we are losing those languages. Basically, if what I am asking to you peoples, that means the few peoples, many Bengali in that Bengali culture peoples in the Agartala, they don't know how to write the Bengali because they are sending their child to the English medium school. They don't know how to write and they can speak the Bengali, but they can't write or they can't read the English. Sorry, Bengali. So that is the main reason you will found. So that maybe that things will be there a little bit problem after few days later. So that is the reason again our policy, new education policy has given more emphasis to save the language and literature. That is the reasons they have told so that primary education should be in their if they are interested, so that should be in their mother tongue. So we can save the languages. Otherwise, day by day we are releasing the languages. Then the next one is the medicine part. Medicine part also that great achievement that what we say Neolithic graveyard in the what is now basically in that Sindhu civilization. Basically now it is a part of the Pakistan, but this area some culture is there. One of the place where the people are developing that Ayurveda system of traditional medicine that is originated in the ancient India. That is before 2500 BC, and still people are now in the practice of that one. And this is a form of one alternative medicine that other part of the world. But in the India earlier it was the main part. Like you can say that like some book they have written in that they have changed in that Susruta has written that Susutra and some Charak, so many peoples they have written in that part. And surgical also they have developed so many things. Earlier days the people are also doing the surgical by using the Ayurveda only. And so that is we have the great achievement in the field of medicine also. Then how we can say that metallurgy means the people are using the weapons of iron, some metal, and they are making the steels. There is so many workshop if you will found in the India. There is I hope no where apart from the India, one of the particular community in the India, they are working on that particular metallurgical part. Can you say what is the name of that community in your here local? What is the name of that community who is doing the work of that means they having the particular works of like who are making the pot, they are the potter. Who are making the building, they are the masons. The persons who are having the workshop in English, that is the blacksmith. What is the name of that community in Bengali? Hello. Am I audible?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So what is the name of that community who is particular community who is having that making that item? Still, the some people part of the Agratala or here also nearby Ifai also some people's they are Mistri. No, that is not Mistri. Bangla we are not saying the Mistri. Basically, in our English it is saying was blacksmith, but in our language we are saying the lohar. Lohar that means who is beating the iron. Loha. Loha that means iron, and who is beating the iron that will be loha. Or sometimes we are that is the karmakar. Karmakar also they are part of the one of the blacksmith. So they are beating iron that part. And basically, who are making pot in our community, they are saying that particular community name is Kumbhakar. So that is the kumbh means ghada or kar means we being the preparing the kumbh that is pot that is the reason they have given that particular community name is Kumbhakar. They are making that one. So that so many metallurgical part also history we have and the very long history of that particular community. So that is the reason maybe we have not maybe the 100 we have developed our metallurgical part also in the ancient India and still maybe in the during present situation we are adopting from the technology from the outside but our one if you will found so that so many irons are there like the made up of Howrah Bridge or others irons so still they are not rusting or they are not taking any types of so technology you can imagine what technology they have developed during that period but still that is not rusting so that our technology is that much developed still in the Rajasthan and some part of or Jharkhand also they are doing that using the technology to making the iron so they are not taking the rust so can you say that how much technology they have developed during that period so that we have also great appreciation on that part so this is about the history of our scientists and science. So now it is your part. So you will discuss. I hope you people are ready for that purpose. Yeah. So we'll start from home. We'll start from home. You can give your name in the chat box. So we'll start soon without losing our time because only 10 minutes we have. So 2 or 3 people can speak, give their voice during that period. Ishita after she has left. Why you are people are leaving? Because you don't want to listen to your friends. Who told? Sujit told about the APJ Abdul Kalam. No, Sujit, are you ready for with along with the APJ Abdul Kalam? Sujit. Bipasa is over here. She left. Bipasa.
Yes, sir. I'm here.
Oh, so are you ready?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Sir, I choose Newton.
Okay. So which is your favorite scientist?
Isaac Newton.
Isaac Newton. Very good. So that yeah. Tell me something about the Newton, so people will also listen you. Why? How
So
is Newton is
Isaac
very
Newton,
good?
he is well known for his work on laws of motion, especially, and optics, gravity, calculus, etc. And in 19 present theory of universal gravitation and laws of motion. And the force is directly sorry,
Your voice is breaking a little bit. Your voice is
the
breaking.
proportional. Sir.
Yeah. Can you say the
Every
just
particle.
tell me the difference between G and G. There is two G in the English, no? Is a small G and capital G. or how they are related to each other? If you have chosen the Newton,
Sorry, sir.
yeah, yes. So how both G is related to Newtons, and how both G having the relationship, and how they are different to each other.
Sir, can I rejoin?
Mm-hmm. Yeah. Okay. Rejoin.
Sir,
Leave and rejoin.
hello, sir.
Now, so Vicky, your favorite scientist?
Hello,
Yeah,
sir.
your favorite scientist?
सर फेवरेट साइंटिस्ट तो सर ऐसे तो मैं चूज नहीं कर सकती बट सर मैंने कल स्टीफन हॉकिंस के बारे में पढ़ा था कुछ.
Okay, okay. Yesterday you have read about Stephen Hawkins. So can you
यस
say
सर.
something about Stephen Hawkins until the Vipasa will return back?
Okay, sir. Stephen Hawking was an English theoretical physicist. Also, he was a cosmologist and a author. And sir, he was director of research at the Center for Theoretical Cosmology at the University of Cambridge. Yeah, Cambridge. सर टाइम तो याद नहीं है कौन सा साल था.
Okay, okay. Nice,
And sir,
nice.
he was born on 8th January 1942 and died 14 March 2018.
Okay.
United Kingdom.
Yes.
Sir, he was a professor of mathematics at the University of Cambridge between the year of 1979 to 2009. सर सर अवार्ड्स कुछ सर उसके बारे में पढ़ा था पर याद नहीं सर मुझे. और he was known for black hole information paradox, micro black hole, and Hawking's theory, Hawking's energy. सर नहीं याद है.
Okay, one more people have supposed to give. I am forgetting his name. Who are interested? Any other persons? Vipasa, you have come back, no? Vipasa?
Hello.
Hello, yeah. Difference
Hello.
between G and G. Small g and capital G. You may say that if sir, yes. And basically, actually, what happens that also this question have asked. I have asked in their class 12th one time, in to the my student, the English medium school is over there. So during that time, one student has given that answer, sir. And basically in Hindi, it is people while that husband wife they are calling to each other, they are using the word ji. Suno ji, hello ji, kaise ho ji. Is it like that? So that one student has given the answer, sir. While wife is calling to the husband, that is the small g, and when his husband is calling to the wife, that is the capital G. So that is the difference between G and G. But I am not asking that difference. What is the difference in term of newtons?
Sir, small g is gravitational acceleration
Yes,
and capital G is gravitational constant.
constant. So which one will be vary, small one or capital one? That is interchange. That is some changeable. The change in the value. Which one value will be changed? The small one or capital one?
Hello. hello, sir. Small
Of
arm
which?
value is constant.
Yeah, if I will go to the up from the earth, so the
Sorry.
value of small g will be less or high. Up from the surface, or will go down from the earth, that means earth surface. So that what will be the differences in the value of g, small g?
Sir, small g
So
will
G
vary.
value is
Here, that's why I am asking if small g will be vary. If I will go up from the earth, that means go away from the earth surface, then the value of g will be increase or decrease.
so it will decrease. Sorry, increase when we go. माने sir
Okay.
surface से जब नीचे की तरफ
Sir,
जाएंगे
can
तो
you repeat the question?
Yeah, if I will
acceleration
go,
increases.
just a minute, listen. If I will go up from the earth surface, that means toward the sky, then the value of g will be increase or decrease.
Sir, decrease, sir.
Decrease. Okay. If I will go inside the earth, then the value of g will be increase or decrease.
Decrease, sir.
Both the cases. How it is possible? People will believe. If I will go up also it will decrease. I will go down also it will decrease. How it is possible? Can you explain this one? Hello?
Down, no, sir. Down, sir, it will be increase, sir.
Really? Don't divert yourself, my dear. If really you have understood, you have studied, it's okay. If you have not studied, then we need to discuss. In the both the cases, that will be decrease. But how it will be? It is a question. Obviously, you have told the correct answer. The both the if I will go up from the earth surface, it is also decrease. If I will go inside of the earth, it is also decrease because the mass will be less.
Sir, body weight will be less if we go up. No, I think body weight.
So that physics people should come forward and they should explain this one.
Sir, it is also, sir, depends on gravity, sir. Gravitational force.
No, no, that is the actually the
Universe.
how it is depend of G is depend upon to which one? D is independent to which one? Distance of the bodies, no?
For mass,
No, no, yeah, obviously directly proportional to the mass as well as that distance between the object. Inversely proportional to the distance between that object, whole square of the distance between the object. I hope it is the correct one. So when
yes, sir.
R will be increased, then the value of G will be decreased.
Increase, sir.
Yeah, but when we have found R is decreased, also value is decreasing. So that if I will get that time on that, I will explain. This is in the physics. Even though you should come forward also, so that already you have maybe skip out or you have studied. It's in the syllabus of degree level or postgraduate level or in +2 level also. The variation of G. You will found one chapter, the variation of G. I will explain why it is there. And again, I will request to all of you, please be ready, everyone. The last 10 minutes or 15 minutes, I will give the time to you people. So that you should come little bit. Some you need to understand that how to present this one also. Then I will show you so that whatever the explanation I've given about the G, so how you can make 3D video on that ones. Next class I will explain to such types of example of when you will give, then you can make how 3D, how falling down, free fall down, so that how you can make the video of that ones. I will explain it one. Okay. Thanks for today. That time is already we have crossed.